Welcome students. I am Sangeeta Sharma, your moral science teacher. Today we will study class 8th moral science chapter 3 rewards of patience. So let's start. First, I want to discuss the concept of the chapter. Patience and perseverance are qualities that nature has gifted. Look at an ant and you will know what is patience. Look at a spider weaving its web, or you can see a bird building its nest, and you will know what perseverance. Unfortunately, mankind and its quest for more comfort, more luxury, and greater mastery over the planet has lost the gift of patience. Patience for man is to make effort, work hard, and endeavor dedicatedly, and not be in a hurry. Every good deed earns a benefiting rewards, but in its own time. Looking for instant result, instant reward leads to disappointment and frustration, often pushing you towards anxiety and sometimes antisocial behavior also. The two most powerful barriers to battle the challenges of life are patience and perseverance. So this is all about the concept of this chapter. I want to give an idea about the story. This story is all about a man named Hari Balu, who was a brilliant software programmer, a loving son, a popular colleague. He had everything, like a good job, a supportive family, bright future, but he was not happy with it, because he could not wait for big time success to come to him. He wanted it now. Patience was not his nature, and his impatience to get to the top cost him, not only in his career but also landed him on the wrong side of the law. Now we will start our story, and in this story we will know how he landed him on the wrong side of the law. So now I am going to start the story. Hari Balu stared dumbfounded at the man who sat before him. It was just another day at work for Hari at Logix, the software development company. So I told you like that, Hari Balu was a software programmer. So he was in his office and he was with somebody else in his office. He was a software programmer specializing in embedded system. Presently, Hari Balu was working on a product development assignment with applications in mobile telephone. This man had been calling him earlier to discuss a freelance project involving big time money. Big time money means lot of money. Hari had put the meeting off, citing busy schedule, but the man had persisted. Hari had called him over to his office just out of curiosity. Means he just wanted to know what he is offering to me. He had no idea about how a relative newcomer to the profession like him could be of interest to anybody. But big time money was what appealed to Hari Balu. If I am getting you right, Mr. Austin, Hari was saying this to that man. That man's name was Mr. Austin. You are offering me $10 million to hack into the defense system and access the information on the country's missile program for you. Hari was asking that man, ki you want me to do to hack the defense system and to give you the information about the country's missile program. The man nodded calmly. The man said, yes, Mr. Walu, we have researched about your background, means ki about your family, your study, your career, everything. And you could be our man, means ki you can do work for us. You need not use any of your system here, means ki there is no need for this work to use your personal laptop as well as your official. We will provide you another one with Wi-Fi connectivity, having a pseudo signature ID also, and absolutely non-traceable for at least 15 days. Even after the access has been detected, he smiled, and by that time we will not in touch, leaving no trace. Hari had always been a bright student and an ambitious dreamer. Having earned his bachelor's in computer science from a premier institute, he had wanted to pursue his MBA and get into the top position in the job market. However, his family couldn't afford the expenses involved, and he had to take up employment to support his parents and two younger sisters. His father had retired from his job as a government teacher, and the family had come upon hard times. Haribalu was a very bright student, and he wanted to do MBA after the graduation, and he wanted a top place in the job market. But he has a poor family. They couldn't afford the expenses involved, and he had to take up employment to support his parents. His father is a retired government teacher. Hari was in a hurry, but circumstances had dictated otherwise. His job at Logix wasn't bad at all. He took home a decent pay package, and then there were the perks. Hari was in hurry. He wanted everything very early. He wanted everything right now. He don't want to wait for the future. He was having a very good job in Logix, and he was earning well also. But he was not happy at all. It was the waiting at that hurry. It would take him at least 5 to 8 years to get to be in the middle management band, and after 10 years more to get another position or top position. On the other hand, if he started his own company, he could achieve very early, much shorter span of time, everything. He thought constantly of Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley is a place name, and overnight success stories. He thought of Google and Facebook companies, and the fames and wealth that came to their founders. But he didn't have the money to translate his dream into reality. He was not having this much money to start a company. If only he had the capital. Now was his chance. He was thinking about this. Now he was having a chance. If he will get the money from this freelancer project, he can open or he can start his own company. Haribalu knows that he could do the job, but it was not easy, and it was certainly not legal also. The target was the country's top defense research organization, and the missile program was its most valued project so far. Would he be the compromising state secret? He wondered and put the thought aside as quickly. It won't make any difference, he reasoned with himself. Most aspects of missile technology are already in the public domain, and even the complex parts are known to many rough states over the globe. Missiles were no longer the cutting edge of technological research. He thought of what $10 million could do for him. He was confused. He is able to do that work, but he was thinking whether it is legal or not, illegal, whether he should do this or not, because it is a defense program. So he was thinking he should not do this. But again, he was thinking about $10 million, and he thought himself, it is right whatever I am doing, because nowadays everyone is knowing about the missile program. So in this case, I am giving any information to anybody else, it is not illegal, I think, because he was thinking about $10 million. Mr. Austin, if I do accept your proposal, I will need your guarantee that the information will not be leaked to terrorist groups anywhere in the world, he said, taking off the only remaining burden on his conscience. He knew there could be no such guarantee, but he had to state the condition. Mr. Balu, I do not subscribe to any terrorist agenda. On the contrary, I represent a watchdog on nuclear armament and weapons of mass destruction. We need the information to update our database and lobby for disarmament on various globe platforms. The man replied, looking sufficiently offended by Hari's insinuation. The man is glib liar, realized Hari, but that was not his concern. I will set up my own business was all he had in mind. Hari Balu knows that this man was telling a lie simply, but for himself he asked, you promise me this missile program you will not sell or you will not share this to any terrorist group. So after all this conversation, Hari Balu said to Mr. Austin, now you have a deal and give me 50% before the war and 50% when I hand you over the information. And Hari Balu want the money in white, accountable and proper. Excellent, Mr. Balu, that is the way it will be, gushed the man. So Mr. Austin told him, I will pay like that what you want. The next few days were a blur as Hari got richer by 25 crores and spent nights hacking into the target system. He broke the codes on the 6th day and it took 2 sessions of 3 hours each, means 3 hours, 2 sessions, to glean the information Austin needed. On the 10th day, he handed over the CDs for appraisal, and the next day got another 25 crores deposited in his account. It was a year after Hari had launched his own IT company. After this incident, after 1 year, Hari started his own IT company. And Austin was arrested from his office in Atlanta, USA by the Interpol. He was charged with conspiracy to pass on highly classified technological knowledge to an enemy country. The sources were unraveled and soon, under sustained interrogation, Austin broke down and sang like a parrot. Austin provided every information to the Interpol, and after that, Hari Balu, CEO of Matrix System, was taken into custody and charged with sedition. Today Hari is in jail in a high security prison. His dreams shattered, his family socially boycotted, and his country ashamed of him. A worthy citizen, a bright future has been lost to a man's indecent haste in achieving success. He only Hari had been a little more patient and persevering. If in that case, if Hari was having more patience, he will successfully living his life. But he was in haste. He want everything before the time. He just want a return very early. So by this way, in indecent haste, he went into the prison. So everyone should have the patience and perseverance and never be in a haste in achieving success. Wait on the time. Reality bites. Nobel Prize winner Marie Curie and Pierre Curie worked continuously for nearly a decade in their small laboratory. They have a very small laboratory in their house till they discovered radium in 1902. They were always short of money and resources but never let up their quest. Their patience won them immortality in the field of scientific research. So now students, your chapter has been completed. Now here are some exercises. All these question answers and true false you have to do in your copy. The first question is answer the following questions, and second, state whether the following statements are true and false. All these you have to write in your copy. Thank you students for watching this video. You have to watch this video minimum 2 times very carefully, and after the watching, write your name, class and section in the comment box. Have a nice day.